I've got to change this back bumper because it's sort of just about corroded out. You can see it's corroded there. There. It's about to go through there. I think it's corroded, not there, the end's all corroded here. And the bottom, and underneath the bottom's corroded as well. So yeah, we've got to change that. I've prepped this one. I've welded the ends, put some blanking plates on, drilled a drain hole to drain any water or moisture that gets inside out. So it's sort of starting to get there. Just got to cut that off, clean up and weld on. As you can see, it was quite corroded. You know, you can push it in with your thumb. The middle wasn't too bad, but you know, so we got it ground up, ready to weld. I've got my magnets on here, welding magnets, so hopefully that'll hold it up, or otherwise I'll have to wait for someone to give me a hand. I've got to do a little bit of a change of plan, because the metal I've got, magnet's not going to stay now, but the metal I've got is sort of a ½ inch smaller in dimensions, so I've got a little gap at the top, so I'm going to have to put that little piece in there, so I've got something to weld to on the top of the bar. So I've got to do that both sides and weld it on. Should be okay. Right, it's on. So there's the gap. So that's why I had to put the little plates in. Just got to paint it up. I won't bother showing that on the video because paint's paint. Over and out.